Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Insyaallah hari ini kita akan I also will use English because I will have my IELTS test next month. Today we will start doing lab exercise for fourth module and first hot lab, clickable image. And for your information, I have not tried this yet at home before this, so it will be natural. So if there is error or bug when we follow the steps, you can comment or you can give me direction or clue or anything. Oke, karena saya belum coba ini sebelumnya. Biasanya saya persiapan, sekarang saya nggak persiapan. Akan terasa natural, akan nabrak sana sini. Jadi kalau misalkan ada langkah yang saya keliru, silakan diberitahu. Let me know. Oke. Saya ganti share ke display desktop. Okay, welcome. This is the 4.1 code lab, clickable image. So in this code lab, we will start discussing about user interface, user experience actually in this module, but on this code lab, it's just user interface. What will we do? We will create Android Studio project, new Android Studio project, and then there's no something special in this code lab. Okay, we will start making this. There will be one view. Inside of it, maybe there's I don't know, maybe it's a linear layout, and there are images, and also there is a toes and button. This button will be given to us immediately after we choose a specific template on Android Studio project. So we don't make it from our own. Next, okay, start the project, start new project. Close this old project, and I will create a new project. So before this, on previous code lab, we use empty activity, but right now we will use basic activity. The difference that we can see, there is a menu button, 3 dots button that will show a menu to us, and also there's a floating button right here. Okay, different from the empty activity template project. Next, namanya Droid Cafe. Droid Cafe. SDK-nya I will make this 8.0 because on our previous code lab, this will become trouble. Next. although we can change the minimum SDK on the Gradle setting. Okay, finish. We already created a project with basic activity template. Okay. Let's see the layout. Rest layout. Okay, there are 4 XML. Activity main, which is the the main screen, I think. Activity main for the app bar and floating action button. Okay. Content main. Okay. Okay, so activity main will contain app bar and also the action button, floating action button. You don't change this. Content main for everything else. Open content main and select hello world. Okay. Content main. Juga lama. Okay, so as soon as the Gradle finish build, Gradle finish building, we will change the attribute of the text view on the content main XML. Okay, we will give it some new ID, which is text intro. So we go straight to the code fragment. Where's the text view? There's the text view. Fragment inside the fragment. Great. Fragment second. Okay. Okay, let's try to read this. Already finished. Not yet. Okay, activity main contain app bar and also content main. And at the bottom, there's a floating action button. So this is how we include other layout on the XML file using include layout. And then what is the layout we want to include? So we go to the content main. There's a fragment. How is the fragment work? So let's just see. Okay, let's see another package. No. Map, no. Navigation. Nav graph. Okay, nav graph. In the fragment segment, in the fragment element, there's a nav graph. Okay, and there's nav graph. It is the nav graph. Let's see. Okay, and it contains the first fragment, and there's an action. So maybe when we click this first fragment, we will go to the second fragment, and this is the second fragment. And if we do some action on this fragment, we will go to the first fragment. Okay, so let's see what is the first fragment. There's a text and there's a view. Oh, there's a button. Yeah, but we don't know what it is. Okay. Content main. Okay. Hello, first fragment. Okay. So the tampilan berapa? The layout is like this. Content main. when we see the code, just contain a fragment which is navigate using this element nav graph. So maybe it use the first fragment in the navigation. Okay. So right now we try to guess how it works using fragment, because we have not using fragment on the previous activity, right? So the first fragment will show up. What is the first fragment? There's a text view and button. If we see the design, there's the design. Okay, so there's a button. When we click this button, okay, there's a button. It will do nothing because there's no action on this button. So let's just go to the nav graph. Okay. On the nav graph, there's an action. So how we point this action to this action? I don't know, really. So maybe if anything, any action due to this fragment, this action will be done. Okay, let's assume like that. Containment, first fragment, when we click this, or wait, let's see the main activity. No, there's nothing in here also. Menu, view, nothing. Okay, let's assume like that, right? Containment, it will show one fragment, and that is the first fragment we write on this nav graph XML, which is the first fragment, and it will show its first fragment, which is this fragment, first fragment. Okay, and it will show text view and button. And when we do some action to this fragment, it will trigger this action to be done. And it will show us the second fragment. Second fragment is this fragment. Okay. And when we click, and when we do some action to this fragment, this action will be done. And we will go to the first fragment. And that's how we repeat the scenario. Okay, let's back to the steps. We change hello world. Online. Okay, text intro. I don't know if it's the same thing. Anyway, text intro, we use the one fragment only. I think we don't need a second fragment. So we change this. Oops. Text intro, and then hello world as the text. Hello world. Okay, we go to the value. We just change the hello first fragment hello first fragment. We change this to hello world, and then textile bold, textile. Okay, let's go to the design. Attributes, textile, bold. So this, and then text size, probably. Okay, good, great. This adds Android ID attribute to the queue. Change the text, make the text bold. Okay, great. Delete the constraint from the button of text to the button. Okay, we will delete this one. Yeah. No, cannot delete. Okay, we will just delete on this. Okay, it will go up. Choose 8 dp as a top margin. HD. Okay, HD. Great. If we see the code, HTTP as a top margin. Okay, in the first okay. Droid desert. Huh? Droid desert. When we put the droid desert, change the okay, droid desert. It's not hello world. So we change on the strings XML. Change this hello desert. And as for the ID, string intro text. Intro text, and we change this one. Intro text. Oops, sorry. Yang ini. Mana ya? Tadi yang kita ganti. Saya ngegantinya atau ngeganti? Teks ya betul ya. Oke, intro text. Ini karena kita udah ganti, because we already changed this one. We will change. But we don't really need the button, but save it for later. Add the image. Let's see our design first on the maybe the content. Design. Okay, so maybe we don't need the fragment. Actually, we just can cut this to the content main. Okay, do you agree with me? We del the fragment and we paste the text here. Okay, so we're done with the first fragment, second fragment, and the nav graph. Okay. Add the image. Okay, so far we have just one text view as our element. We will add the image. We need to download this first, which you can download. Okay, I already downloaded that. Okay, the GitHub. Great. Okay, one by one. Great. Save. Donut circle di download saja. Oopsie. For your circle ke kanan bisa nggak? Ke kanan save in as mana save in as? Save in as. Ya bisa. Create circle, save in as. Oh, nggak bisa. Save Fourier circle, and then the third image download. Control S. Save. Save. Okay, very good. Close. Close. Okay. Copy the image to copy. First close project. Yes, good. We have to use. Okay. We have to close our project. Really? Copy the image file to your project or folder. Find the folder. Okay. Drawable project. Resource. Drawable. You can just drag it. Okay, I'll try drag the file to our project directly. If it's failed, we just follow the steps. Three files. I'll drag to the drawable. No, cannot. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. It's done. Open the content main. Content main. Open the design. Yes. Drag image view. Choose the donut circle top of the text view. Constraint it to the top text view and to the left side of the layout. Okay, great. Palette image view. We'll drag it to this one. Okay. Anyway. Okay, kayak tadi donut circle. Okay. Nice. And we close this top constraint to the dessert and left constraint to the left. And we will use the margin 24 dip for both constraints. So I'll use this 24. 24. Great. Okay. 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 ID. Okay. ID. We change this to donut and content description. Okay. Just copy. Content description. I don't know if it's in here. Content description. Great. Yes. Okay, drag the second image view. Okay. Image view. Close this. So bigger. No. Okay. Gambar apa ya tadi? Ice cream circle. You can comment if you found something weird or you want to ask question. Close this and make the border 24. Great. And why don't change? image view. What? Nice. Okay, I'll change to the ice cream circle. Okay, good, great. And the ID, ice cream. The ID is ice cream, and the description, I don't know what it really works for, content description, but we just okay, drag the third image view through you, third image view to this area for your circle. Okay, and we set the top constraint and the left constraint. We set the border, not the border, it's the margin. 24. Great. Okay. Click the blah blah blah. Okay. Huh? Click the word. Show display. Barcode text. Oh, the description. Okay, great. Okay, ini aja yang mana. Donuts, royal, great. Code, or we just can click this. Okay. And what can we do? Di kanan gitu. Tadi disuruh ngapain? Extract resource. To fix, dialog appear. There's fix. Fix. Where's the fix? Fix. I don't see fix. Just no fix. Did you guys see fix button? No. Okay. Just the old way. Extract string resource for ini for apa? Ice cream sandwich. Okay, we will use donut for this. Donut with S. And where's the other one? Image view. Oh, we have not give the third. Yes, no? Okay, fine. Okay, just okay. We can create content description just using the code. It's faster actually. Content description, we will write through you and the error will appear. Okay, and we will create the string resource using this dialog. Okay, good. Okay, expand already done. Add the description. Okay. Text view, both margin, left side and the right side. Donut image view. Oh, okay. Topnya ke donut. Topnya donut. Okay. Okay. 24 donut description ID. Okay, text view in the design. I'll get my text view. This one. Left constraint to donut, and I'll give 24 to 24. bottom. I don't need to give it 24. Constraint element left side to the right side. And it's top to the top of the not image view, both with margin. So we'll use the margin 24. Okay, great. Okay. Constraint the element right side to the right side of the layout. Okay. Right constraint to the right, and we will also give it 24 dip. Okay, great. Enter donut description ID field. We already done that. Okay. Enter donut description for the ID field in the attribute. Okay. Donut description. The next should appear next to donut image. Yes, great. Change the width match constraint. Okay, we will change the width. Okay, this one rep content we will change to the match constraint. Okay, so it will stretch the element so it will match the constraint. Okay, wait. The string source for the text. Okay. Donuts. Okay, because we already have the donut description, we will just use this one as the text. Where's the text? Add donut. Sorry. Add string donut. Okay. Enter. No. Okay. Great. Repeat the. Okay. We will repeat the steps for you. Left to left, bottom to the bottom, and right to the layout. And we will give all of the three constraint 24 dip. Actually, it's faster if we use only code to replicate the steps, but we will just use this. And ID as frame description. Okay, like already with we will change it to each parent, and the text add string ice cream. Where's the ice cream sandwich? Okay, great. Right, done. Okay, for the third, we will use this. I will copy the text view. Okay, but right now I will give the description for your description. Layout with null div, wrap content. Okay. But the left constraint we will change to throw you. Top also to throw you. Just for you. It's not the frost, for you. Okay, good. The for you is not defined anywhere. Oh, no. What we call this one? Image view, text view. Image view. Oh, we have not changed this to for you. Okay, create text view. What's still text view? Okay, it should be a string. Donuts, right? And we change this to great. Okay, let's see the design. Okay, great. There are 3 images and 3 description. Okay, great, good. Okay, next, add on-click method for images. Okay, we already. Oh no, we haven't do this. It's the string resource when the toast come out. So we copy this and we paste to the string resources. Oopsie. Copy this. Copy. Okay. And we create a display toast on the main activity. Display toast. Good. Although you could have add this method, yes, it's best. Yes, no toast. Okay, good. Click handler. Okay, display toast, and also the show donut order is the function we implemented in the main activity Java, but we have not called them yet. Okay, the first one, blah blah. Okay, copy. Okay, so there are 4 methods display those. Actually, there are 3 methods that have not been called yet. As for display toast, it is called by either show donut order or show ice cream order or show order for your order. It calls display toast. Okay. So the difference between the 3 is the parameter. Optional. Okay. We don't do this. Okay. Now we just add the handler. No, the handler. The event on the image view of the activity main. No, the content. The content. Why there's so much error? On the image. Okay. So in the ice cream image, we will call show what it ice cream order. Okay. Ice cream order, and for the donut on click show donut order, great. And for the last image, where's the last image? Okay, let's on click Froyo order. We're done. Oh, reformat. Assign the okay, we're done. Okay, our code already like that. No. Okay, run the app. Okay, Let's try run, but there's so much error in this. No, there's no. The error are gone. I'll try. I hope I bring, yes, I bring my cable. You are still with me? Is there any question? You are still with me? Hello? Okay. What I want to do? Let's view. Let's view. I'll just run it and then run the let's view. Just let's hope there's no error when we build our project. I forget to share my screen. Display. Okay. Question. I hope you don't get trouble when first you create a basic activity template and you so there are two fragments. Okay. I believe that you guys can figure it out. Yes? No? Gradle, lock screen. Hmm? Okay. Oh, stuff. Still. Let's just see the next task. Next. Change the, if it's long, I will not do this. Okay, short, not long. But first, let's wait for the Gradle finish building. Question, do you guys have any question? Or I'll just give some quiz for you. Sorry. Create quiz. One is this. Install. Okay, but we are done. I will share again my screen. And let's view. Let's view. Read it. Screen start now. Okay, it's already running on my smartphone. If we click the donut button, donut image, actually, it will show a toast. If I select the ice cream sandwich, it will toast another text as well as the frame. Okay, so it's run pretty well, and we will continue the third task, add a new icon. So the third task, the task 3, try to give you some knowledge or skills how to use the clip art on the Android Studio, because there's plenty of them, and we just can use them right away without have to upload any image to the project. Okay, drawable. We will go to the drawable skill. Project. Do you guys have a lecture after this class at 10:30? Hello?
Ada Pak.
What lecture?
APBO, analisis. Pak Bayu.
Pak Bayu. Okay, praktikum ya. Okay, so that's my cue. You just can follow the task 3 for adding a new icon to this little tiny image. Floating action button. Okay, so this is the end of our lab activity. If you guys have any question, do you guys have any question? No? Alhamdulillah. If you guys have no question, it means that you already master the Android development. It's great. Okay, I'll finish this session.